Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this jumping challenge filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, okay. So to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do? Just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button and go to the search and search for jumping challenge. Okay, lots of filters are there. Maybe you will not find the filter there. Then what you can do, go to your for you page and search for jumping challenge. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Okay, this one, tap on it. And now I'm there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's see. Can we? Okay, that was close. Oh. Win. Okay, try this.